this is Tammy. Today I want to talk about AutoCrew and how AutoCrew integrates with Clover POS and how you can help multiple merchants like a restaurant to be able to complete order processing through an intelligent conversation with AutoCrew AI agent. We go to AutoCrew, which is what our customer will normally set up, and then when we go to manage, and under manage, go to integration. Under integration, we'll see different connectors. One of the connectors that we're going to be working with today is the Clover restaurant ordering connectors. So I'm going to go right to Clover ordering connectors. The first thing a merchant need to do after they already sign into their Clover account, that is a test merchant that we're using the sandbox. When they already sign up, and they want to connect AutoCrew, they basically connect AutoCrew and the whole outflow happens. We connect to their merchant. They can select if they have more than one merchant. They pick which particular account they want to connect to, and once it's done, the whole hot dance happens, and the customer is brought back to the AutoCrew platform, and immediately they have been connected. So that's one thing that we do. And under the connection, you can see here that the test merchant has now been connected. And one other step that the customer will normally take from this part is to, during the setup process, is to get the webhook sign-in secret that we're going to use to that Clover is going to use to call back AutoCrew during payment completions and any other webhook operations that we tend to do. And you can get that simply by coming to settings, and under settings we go to hosted e-commerce, hosted checkout, and in hosted checkout we grab this sign-in secret. Once we grab the secret, we come back to AutoCrew. There's a secret here, and this is stored encrypted in our database with AE16 encryption. All our secrets are stored securely and encrypted at rest. Once this is saved, now the connection is active. AutoCrew is ready to start processing order. The next thing that needs to happen, like you can see, even without doing anything, immediately we connect AutoCrew, connect to Clover, and start to pull any existing items. And for this particular test merchant, we have 3 items that have been set up, price, and as soon as it's connected, AutoCrew pulls and immediately refreshes its own database. What is left now is for the merchant to start receiving order. Remember, they'd already connected their phone number to their agent. This is a customer support agent. So any phone call going to this number requesting to place order to this particular Harvest Table Bistro restaurant is able to look up menu and pricing, and also able to connect and process those orders. So the next demo I'm going to show, we connect to how order gets placed within the AutoCrew system. Right now there is no order, but I'm going to come back with a net new video. Another thing I want to talk about quickly is we have 2 options. We have the hosted checkout option and the pay on delivery option. In this demo, I'm going to focus on hosted checkout because we want the customer to be able to send in the order, and we sent an SMS to their phone with a Clover with a URL where they can pay securely on the Clover platform. AutoCrew does not process card payments. We don't store credit card numbers or PAN. We only rely on the hosted checkout mechanism mode from Clover. And once payment go through, then the webhook calls back AutoCrew, and the agent will let the user know that their order has been completed. So in the next demo, I'm going to show how AutoCrew actually take a process order, build shopping cart on the phone with the customer, and process the payment. Thank you.